Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the virtual class, class 7th, chapter 7, Understanding Media, Civics, video part 2. Kids, we have already done till mass media and money. I am continuing from page number 255 of your book. So, I have already told you that how money is involved in mass media. And I want to give you an example regarding this, that whenever you see a episode or a program on the television, in between you see lots of advertisement related to cars, toiletries, chocolates, biscuits and so on. And it encourages you to buy them. तो ये जितनी भी एडवर्टिजमेंट्स कंपनी होती है, दे पे अ ह्यूज अमाउंट टू द प्रोग्रामर्स. Such regular efforts require a great deal of money. So, getting latest technologies to improve the experience of users and mass media also need funds. So, I have already told you advertisements जो companies होती हैं और जो वो big business houses होते हैं जो एपिसोड्स बनाते हैं उनको दे पे अ ह्यूज अमाउंट कि अगर आप हमारे एडवर्टिजमेंट्स को अपने प्रोग्राम के बीच में फ्लैश करेंगे तो विल पे यू इन ह्यूज अमाउंट. सो फर्स्टली दे रिमेन द पार्ट ऑफ बिग बिजनेस हाउसेस. Secondly, they advertise various products such as toiletries, cars, chocolates, biscuits, and so on. So, advertisements attract the attention of the customer and influence them to buy the product. All right. The next topic is mass media and democracy. Mass media and democracy. As we know, mass media runs on the principles of providing information to the people. So, it is the duty of the government to provide the rules and regulation and policies to the people, and it is through mass media only that it is possible. So, in a democracy, information allows people to elect their representative on the basis of informed opinion. So, as we know, mass media has interconnected the entire globe. Mass media से हम globally सब एक दूसरे से connected है. Now, at this point, we are all not only concerned about our country's policy, rules and regulation, but we can know about other countries also and can follow them also for this. So, this interconnection assists people in gathering collective sanction and disagreement against the policies. For example, when a community is not being treated fairly in a country, अगर एक पार्ट, एक कम्युनिटी, एक कास्ट बेस जो है अगर वो ठीक से ट्रीट नहीं करे जा रहे, तो वो ऑनलाइन या वो इंटरनेट के थ्रू ये बात मास मीडिया और लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं दैट दे हैव बीन नॉट ट्रीटेड वेल. So, mass media helps in raising the voice against the treatment and forces of the government to take necessary action against them. The next is the balance report. What is a balance report? It is the duty of the big business houses and advertisement companies to give a balanced report to the government. They have to show to the government that what kind of work and what type of work they have done. और वो बिल्कुल बैलेंस होना चाहिए. अगर उसमें कुछ नेगेटिव है उन्हें वो भी शो करना है. इफ देयर इज समथिंग पॉजिटिव उन्हें वो भी शो करना है. सो given the role played by mass media, it is necessary for media groups to provide a balanced report. Balanced report refers to a story that has presented all dimensions of a particular event without leaving any affirmant or negative impressions. I've already told you कुछ नेगेटिव है उसको भी नहीं छोड़ना और पॉजिटिव तो मेंशन करना ही है. Media group can provide balanced reports only when they are independent, not under influence of any institution, group or person. मीन्स उन्हें जो भी रिपोर्ट देना है वो बिल्कुल ऑथेंटिक होना चाहिए. उसमें बिल्कुल भी इंटरवीन ना करें कोई भी या कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये बिल्कुल उनको फोर्स नहीं कर सकती कि उनको जो भी बैलेंस रिपोर्ट देना है उसमें वो उनके बारे में अच्छा ही लिखें. It's their wish only. In most countries, many laws have been put in place to ensure the independence of media groups. However, in reality, these work under various influences. Sometimes the government prevents a media group to release any certain story, that is called censorship. All right. Censorship means कोई भी गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू लुक आफ्टर इट कि कोई भी कंटेंट जो टेलीविजन पे फ्लैश हो रहा है जो जिसे मासेस मींस पूरा वर्ल्ड देखेगा उसमें कोई भी कंटेंट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जो किसी के लिए डिस्टर्बिंग हो या किसी के लिए प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो. तो कोई भी चीज़ जो टेलीविजन पे टेलीकास्ट होगी ही और शी हैज़ टू गो थ्रू दैट थिंग हैज़ टू गो थ्रू दी सेंसरशिप बोर्ड. अगर वो उसे सैंक्शन देगा तो इट विल बी अलाउड टू फ्लैश ऑन द टीवी. सो बिजनेस हाउसेस ऑल्सो इन्फ्लुएंस द रिलीज ऑफ कंटेंट बाय मीडिया ग्रुप्स दैट दे own. Before reporting a news, media groups set agendas or decide what stories to focus on. Nowadays, media groups often tend to focus on the stories they think might attract viewers and readers. So nowadays, media groups often tend to focus on the story they think might attract viewers. While reporting a story, they also tend to focus only on those dimensions which they think would attract people. Thus, we must analyze the news before believing it. Authenticity means अगर कोई न्यूज़ आ रही है टेलीविज़न पे तो हम ये श्योर होने चाहिए कि दैट इज़ ट्रू, दैट इज़ ओके, तभी हमें उस पर बिलीव करना चाहिए. ऑलराइट. Next is continuing from the book, page number 256. This is striking accountability. What is accountability? Means all the business houses, news channels, everything which are related with the mass media has accountability to the viewers and to the government. वो जो भी कर रहे हैं वो उसके लिए answerable हैं. Means it has some points that building an accountability of the authorities by highlighting the loopholes in its policies. अगर कोई policy या rules टेलीविज़न पे या रेडियो पे किसी चीज़ पे डिस्कस करा जा रहा है तो उसको हाईलाइट करना कि वो किन किन चीज़ों से रिलेटेड है, उसमें क्या पॉजिटिविटी है, क्या नेगेटिविटी है, और उसमें कोई ह्यूमन राइट्स का वायलेशन ना हो रहा हो. Next is the providing people with a platform to discuss, deliberate and analyze actions taken by the government, conveying the ideas and thoughts of the general masses to the concerned authorities, and mediating in conflicts to ensure peace and building society. Alright, so I want to read this value corner for you. You can think about it. We'll discuss it. The defects in mass media hinder the functioning of the democracy. Why? You have to answer it. So, we have completed this chapter today. If there is any problem, we'll discuss in Zoom class. Till then, happy learning.